The question is this: how do I tag or mention a company or a school or a showcase page in a LinkedIn post? I'm going to show you how to do this in a personal post as well as a company page post. So here I am doing a personal post, and I can type whatever I want, fill it in with whatever text I want to fill in, and then I can tag the company. I can say thanks to @ and then start typing BURRISS space consulting, and there's my company page. I don't need to type it all the way in, and there's the company page. And I can continue on, Forsyth Technical Community College, and I can continue on as well as Catawba Community College right there. And while I'm doing this, I can hit period, and I continue on with and tag individual. Thanks to @Kim Williams and @Jeff Neuville, Jeff Neuville. And by the way, I can backspace out their last names because I know them personally. By the way, you can't take out any words within the company name, but you can take out the name parts, last names of an individual. Thanks to Kim and Jeff. That's how you do it on a personal profile, and then I can hit post, and I can post it. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing on a company page. So I can go to my company page, Burriss Consulting. Here it is here. And you can only post to a company page when you're in admin view. You can't do it as view as a member. And I can do the same thing. I can write whatever I want to write. And then I can say thanks to CATAWBA community. There's community college, comma, and Burriss Consulting. And @Jeff Neuv, Jeff Neuville, I can get rid of the last name, and @Cindy Martin. Now look, Cindy has her credentials in the end. I can backspace out all of that, and I can even backspace out her last name for your help. Pretty easy to do. Now sometimes, by the way, fix your grammaticals. Sometimes it's difficult to tag a company page. I'd recommend you go view the company page so you're absolutely clear of the text they use in that. Sometimes that makes it easier in case you're inadvertently misspelling the name. But even still, there are times where some of the school names, showcase names, or company page names are difficult to tag. And there's no way around that. And when that happens, the best you can do is just write their name in and maybe tag an individual who's associated with it to help you get them both recognized as well as create an opportunity for people to find those companies, schools, or showcase pages. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.